Hey guys, quick hands-on review of the Xiaomi G27Qi 2026. So I've been using this monitor for a bit, and honestly, for the price, around R5,000 here in South Africa, it's punching way above its weight. You're getting a 27-inch 1440p fast IPS panel, and the big win here is smoothness. We're talking up to 200 Hz refresh rate with a 1 ms response time. In real gameplay, that means fast shooters feel super fluid with almost no noticeable ghosting, especially with FreeSync on. Color-wise, it's surprisingly good. You get 100% sRGB and about 95% DCI-P3, and it comes factory calibrated, so it's actually usable for content creation or photo work, not just gaming. But it's not perfect. The stand is basic, only tilt, no height adjustment, no USB hub, no USB-C, no speakers either. And the HDR is pretty much just marketing at this point. Still, for 1440p gaming on a budget, this is an easy recommendation, especially if you're upgrading from 1080p. Xiaomi really nailed the value here.